Students, today we are going to learn sources of water. Water is an important part of our lives. We cannot live without water. Plants, birds and animals also need water to live. Here observe some animals, birds and plants having all live things need water. Okay, we also need water for our daily use. Here observe some picture given. Drinking, washing, cooking, bathing and cleaning. Here observe that picture. We need water when we bathing, cleaning, cooking, washing hands and clothes and drinking. That time we use water. Water is also used to produce electricity also. The farmer also need water to plough the fields. Here observe ploughing fields and water turbine. We get water from the rain. Rainwater fill up the lake and rivers. When rain comes, that time fill up lakes and rivers. We get drinking water from streams, lakes, ponds or from under the ground through well and tub wells. Okay, this water is stored in tanks and reservoirs. Here observe a stream, pond, river, lake, well, tank, tub well and reservoir. Understood you students? Where we got water? That water store things. Do you know? When it is very hot, the heat dries up the rivers and lakes. The water goes up in the sky as water vapor. This drops of water from cloud. This water from the clouds comes down as rain. When hot, that time water go upside with the vapors. Here go and make a cloud and then after make a rainwater and come downside. Rainwater goes deep into the ground. That when rain fall on the ground, that time go water that inland deeply into the ground. We dig wells at proper place to get this water. Too much rain leads to floods. It carries always houses, crops and animals. Dams and forests help us to control floods. You know how to floods side effects you know already. Last year we feel that. Okay. Too little rain leads to drought. During the period there is a shortage of water. Okay. As in some citizen, we to get our water supply from lakes. Water is stocked in a place called a reservoir. From there it is carried to different places through water pipe. It finally reaches our homes and comes out through our water pipes. Taps. Okay. Water filtration. Here, water filtration is most important. Here observe water come to our home from several sources. When we got water at home, that time that like many sources here having. This water may be important. Treatment of water is therefore necessary. The water stored in tanks and reserves is filtered and designated to make it germs free and pure before it reaches our home.